Okay, I'm working on the 2014 Ford Mustang with the shaker. So we're gonna install this Android unit. So first of all, but this car doesn't have a backup camera, so I didn't plug the backup camera. So you have to plug all the plug right here. And then very important one is the one with the white, this one right there, one with the A pin. That's for the climate control coming from your canvas. And then this for the backup camera, but this car doesn't have a backup camera. And then after you plug everything right here, this one, and then the other side going to the is a data control, I believe. So you can do the climate control and everything. And then have a 1 plug, 2 plug, and 3 plug. And then this for the microphone, and this for the GPS antenna, and then that's for the radio antenna. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to remove it, because I already removed all the screw because I have to take a video. So first of all, you just remove the trim from the gear shift. This one easily come out. And then you just apply off from here. Just pop it out. Coming out. And then you probably have to move the gear. Put the side brake first. And then move the gear. And then you can take it off. But there's a 2-wire harness. One green one, and then one gray one, and then one more here for the trunk and all that. So let me unplug it. I just unplug the trunk piece. But if you need to take it off, you can just take up these two more wire harness over here. And then it's gonna have a 2 7mm right there. Put the gear back in. 2 7mm. I'll just unscrew it, just 2. And then you can just ply out. And then there's a 1 plug right there. You can unplug it, which is this wire. You unplug it. And then there's a plug too. The 4 7mm. And then there's a wire harness. This one have a short wire harness, so you have to dig it in to unplug it. So this one has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plug. What you have to do is just push the middle button, and then you can release it. Right there, you see it? Just release it. And then antenna, and then this one for the satellite. We're not gonna use the satellite no more. And then this one has a 4 7mm. You can just remove it, unplug that wire. And then I ran the microphone here, coming through here, coming here. So right now all we have to do is a 3 plug. Have to be to the 3 plug right there, 1 antenna adapter. This is a GPS antenna, and then microphone. And then you have to transfer the clip from your original radio. And then this one comes to the 2 USB, so I'm gonna run it through here and then coming out from there. And the 3 plug, and then antenna, GPS antenna wire, and then what's that called, the microphone. And then make sure you plug the subwoofer wire. Okay, so everything installed, but before we push it in and screw back in, let me test everything works. So AC works. Temperature is high, low. Everything works. And then let's make sure the sound coming out.
In another country.
Yeah, the steering wheel control not working yet, but I'm gonna show you how to program it. Yeah, everything works on the sound. So I'm gonna push it in and then put it back in, and then I'm gonna show you how to program the steering wheel control. Okay, push it in. Put 2 7mm at the bottom. The gear, step on the brake. Okay, so don't forget to plug your trunk and hazard.
Tickets to see Harry Styles for his album release show in Manchester. Airfare, hotel, you get to go to Harry Styles' favorite restaurant, a special vinyl just for you. All you gotta do is say I Heart Harry on the talkback mic. Make all that for your number one preset too while you're there. You just might win. Good luck. I met Angelina on everyone's socials. Got some Alex Warren for you next right after this.
Hear the Bay's #1 hit music station anytime.
Alexa, play Wild 94.9 on iHeartRadio.
And everywhere on the free iHeartRadio app.
You can now save Wild as your #1 preset.
Putting out tonight, bundle up. It's gonna get cold.
The hazard works. Everything done. So put this gear shifter back in. Okay, go to car setting and then volume setting, I believe. No, let's see.
What's the latest? My favorite streaming platforms. The California Post also has the latest.
Okay, let me mute. Go to home, car setting. Okay, steering wheel on. Okay, let me clear and then try. So press or hold on the volume down. Okay, this is setup success. And then volume up, positive. Okay, and then next track. Okay, setup is a success. And then okay, go back. And then let me try this one. This 4 button, I think this is not compatible with this radio. So talk button. Yeah, this one not compatible. Okay, this one is compatible, so I'm just gonna put the mode. Okay, this one is okay, and then go to okay. I'm just gonna try to put the mode. Yeah, so 3 button is not compatible with this radio. And then they have car setting, factory setting. The factory setting, you have to have a password, so don't touch that. Volume control, brightness, navigation, GPS, steering wheel, radio, and other setting. See? See? Volume
Call
control
800
works.
717
Yeah.
7431.
And then next works. Yeah, all the button works. Yeah, that's about it. Go to car settings, car AC. Set. Okay, if you go to set, they have a temperature display unit. You can change it to the Fahrenheit or Celsius, so you can change that one. And then language type, you know, you can change everything here by unit, brightness. So go to car settings, setting to car, and then go to set, and then temperature display. They have a Fahrenheit and then Celsius, brightness, mileage unit, language type. So let's see how many language type. Yeah, they have a bunch of language. Thank you for watching.